Hello students. So today we are going to discuss the questions from exercise 3.3 from the chapter Playing with Numbers. So first question we have, using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Say yes or no. तो हमारे पास 2 से 11 के इन नंबर्स की डिविजिबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है. For numbers 990 and some other number, but I am taking only 2 of number as an example, rest you can do by yourself. So first we have 990. So check करते हैं 990 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा या नहीं. So we can see that it is an even number. 990 is an even number because in the unit place it carry 0. Okay, so if it is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Fine. Next we have by 3. 3 से चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, जितने भी नंबर्स के अंदर डिजिट्स होती हैं उनका सम कर देते हैं. सो वी हैव 9 प्लस 9 प्लस 0. ओके, सो इन तीनों का सम हमारे पास आ जाएगा 18. अब हम देखेंगे कि ये सम 3 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है. सो बिकॉज इट इज़ अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. ओके, 3 6 ज़ा 18, it is a multiple of 3, so it will be divisible by 3. Okay, so yes. Now let's come to the 4. So 4 से चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, लास्ट की जो 2 डिजिट्स हैं उनको चेक करते हैं कि वो 4 से डिविजिबल हैं या नहीं है. So in 990 we have last 2 digit 90. Okay, so if we divide it by 4, we get 4 2s are 8 and remainder as 1. Now put 0. 4 2s are again 8, remainder is 2. Okay, that means 2 is remainder, it is not dividing 90 completely, that means it is not divisible by 4. Okay, now let's check by 5. So to check divisibility by 5, we have to see that at the unit place there must be either 0 or 5. So in 990 we have 0 at the unit place, so this number will divisible by 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5. Next we have by 6. So 6 से divisibility check करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, we have to check by 2 and by 3. So 990 को हम चेक करेंगे 2 से और 3 से. We can see that it is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. That means it will be divisible by 6 because 2 3s are 6. So yes, it is divisible by 6. Now by 8 we have to see if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. So we can see that in 990 if we divide it by 8, it doesn't give us the complete division. Okay, that means it left with some remainder, that means it is not divisible by 8. Now 9 से divisibility check कैसे करते हैं, again just like 3, add all the digits and it gives us 18. So 18 is divisible by 9, that means 990 is also divisible by 9. Okay, now by 10. So 10 से चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम देखेंगे लास्ट में 0 है या नहीं है. So in this number 990 the unit place carry 0 with it, that means it is divisible by 10. So yes, it is divisible by 10. Now 11 से divisibility जब हम चेक करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं alternate digits, यानी कि odd places पे जो digits हैं और जो even places पे digits हैं उनके सम का डिफरेंस कितना है. So 990 में हम चेक करेंगे odd places हैं this one and this one, ones place and this third place. Okay, so 9 plus 0. now इसका डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है हमें 9 से, because we have at even place only one digit. so 9 plus 0 is 9 and इसका डिफरेंस 9 से फाइंड आउट करेंगे. so 9 minus 9 is 0. so 11 की डिविजिबिलिटी कहती है if there is a difference 0 or 11, that means it is divisible by 11. So 990 is also divisible by 11. Similarly, we can check all the other numbers given in these questions. So we can go for this number again. This number is 6,39,210. Okay. So 2 से divisibility check करेंगे. We can see that it is an even number because at the unit place we have 0. So this is divisible by 2. So 2 इसको पूरी तरीके से divide करेगा. Okay. Now by 3 we have to check whether the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 or not. So 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. अब अगर हम इसको ऐड करते हैं तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे 21 आ जाएगा सम. ओके. So 21 is divisible by 3 completely. That means this whole number is divisible by 3. So yes, it is divisible by 3. Now to check with 4, we have to see last two digits. So last two digits are 1 and 0 or 10. So 10 is not divisible by 4. It left with some remainder. So this is not divisible by 4. Now by 5 we can see that at the unit place it has 0 in this number. That means it is divisible by 5. Okay. Now for 6 we can check either if this number is divisible by 2 and 3 together. Okay. So it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3 also. That means this number will also divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's come to the 8. 8 से check करेंगे इसकी divisibility. So we have to go for 3 digits from last. So 2, 1, 0 and have to check whether this can be divided by 8 completely. So if you divide it, it left with some remainder and it is not divisible by 8. That means this whole number is not divisible by 8. So no, it is not divisible by 8. 9 से check करेंगे. Again इन सबका sum 21 आता है. Okay, we have checked it for 3. So सबका sum 21 है. 21 is not divisible by 9. That means this number is not divisible by 9. Now for 10 we can see that in this number there is 0 at unit place. If there is any other number than 0, then it is not divisible by 10. But we can see that here is 0 at the unit place. So it is divisible by 10. Now to check for 11, we have to differentiate the sum of the alternate digits. So in 6, 3, 9, 2, 1, 0, we have to check 0, 2 and 3. इनका sum हमारे पास आ जाएगा 3 plus 2 plus 0, that is 5. Now at even place we have 6 plus 9 plus 1. So ये sum हमारे पास आ जाएगा 16. Now we have to check difference between 16 and 5. So इन दोनों का difference हमारे पास 11 आता है. That means if the difference is 11 or 0, the number is divisible by 11. So it is divisible by 11. Okay. Now let's come to the question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 4 by 8. So हमें क्या करना है, इन नंबर्स को चेक करना है कि ये 4 और 8 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है. ओके, सो लेट्स चेक बाय 4. सो बाय 4 चेक करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स को लेके उसको 4 से डिवाइड करके देखना होगा कि वो 4 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है. सो लेट्स डिवाइड 72. वी हैव 572. So let's take 72 and divide it by 4. So 4 ones are 4, remainder is 3. Write this 2 over here and then 4 8s are 32. Okay, and now we have left with no remainder. That means this is divisible by 4. So by 4, 572 is divisible by 4 as the last two digits are divisible by 4. Okay, now to check this next number, we have 7,26,352. ओके, नाउ हमने अभी 4 से चेक कर लिया है, लेट्स चेक इट बाय 8. सो 8 से चेक करने के लिए हमें इस पूरे नंबर को, दैट इज 3 डिजिट्स फ्रॉम द लास्ट, सो ऑलरेडी ये 3 डिजिट्स का नंबर है, सो वी विल टेक 572 and now divide it by 8. So when we divide it, we have 8 sevens are 56. Minus करेंगे तो 1 and then we have to write this 2 over here. Now 8 ones are 8. Okay, and if we subtract it, we are left with 4 as a remainder. So by 8, if we check, so 572 is not divisible by 8. Okay, now B part, we have number 7,26,352. we have to check it by 4. Okay, to check it by 4, we have to see the last two digits are divisible by 4 or not. Okay, so 52, we can check 4 ones are 4 and this is left with 1 and write this 2 over here, so 4 3s are 12. So we left with 0 remainder here, that means it is divisible by 4. So 7,26,352 is divisible by 4 as the last two digits are divisible by 4. Okay, now by 8, if we check, we have to see the last 3 digits. Okay, so when we see 352 divided by 8, so we left 8 4s are 32. When we subtract, it gives us 3 and write this 2 over here, so 8 4s are 32. So it is dividing 352 completely, that means 7,26,352 is divisible by 8 as the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Okay, you have to do all the other part of this question by following the same method. Now let's come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 6. So first part, we have 2,97,144. Okay, so 6 से divisibility check करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, चेक करते हैं 2 और 3 से divisibility. Okay, so by 2 से चेक करेंगे तो 297144. This number is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, now by 3 से चेक कैसे करते हैं, 3 से चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, सम ऑफ दीज डिजिट्स. सो इन डिजिट्स का सम हमारे पास आता है 27. ओके, एंड 27 इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. सो द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. ओके, सो 2 और 3 से दोनों ही नंबर से ये डिविजिबल है, देयरफॉर 2,97,144 is divisible 6. Now let's come to the next part, 1258. So 1258 को चेक कैसे करेंगे, अगेन लेट्स चेक इट बाय 2 and 3. by 2, an even number. 1258 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, now 3 से चेक करेंगे. By 3, 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equals to, it gives us 16. Okay, so 16 is not divisible by 3. So 1258 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 1258 is not divisible by 6. ओके, बिकॉज हमने अभी 2 और 3 से चेक किया है. सो बिकॉज इट इज एन इवन नंबर, इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 बट नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. ओके, दैट्स वाई this number cannot be divisible by 6, as 6 is equals to 2 into 3. Okay, now you have to solve the other part of question number 3 by following the same procedure. Now let's come to the question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 11. Okay, तो हमें divisibility test को यूज करके बताना है कि ये नंबर 11 से divisible है या नहीं है. Okay, so first part we have 5445. Okay, so 11 से divisibility कैसे चेक करते हैं? So a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of alternate digits is either 0 or 11. So alternate digits हम देखेंगे. First digit is 5 and then we have to jump for third digit. So 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 and इनका sum और difference find out करेंगे this second digit and fourth digit के sum से. Okay, so second digit is 4 plus 5. Okay, so इनका sum क्या हो जाएगा? 5 plus 4 is 9 and here 5 plus 4 is 9. So इन दोनों का difference 0 है. Okay, because 9 minus 9 is 0. That means it is divisible by 11. Okay, now let's come to the C part. It is 71,38,965. Okay, the number is this and we have to find out if this number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, so a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of alternate digits is 0 or 11. Okay, same procedure, we have to go for alternate digits. So odd one से start करते हैं. First digit is 5, then 9, then 3, then 7. So add them up. 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7 और इसका difference find out करेंगे 6 plus 8 plus 1 से. Okay, the second digit, fourth digit and sixth digit. So 6 plus 8 plus 1. So odd digits का sum हो जाएगा हमारे पास 24 and even digits का sum हो जाएगा 15. Okay, now 24 और 15 का जो difference हमारे पास आएगा, because we have 24 as a larger number, so we can subtract 15 from 24. So it will give us 9. So 9 is not 0 or 11. That means the number is not divisible by 11. Okay, so you can do all the other parts like this. Let's come to the question number 5. Write smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. So हमारे पास दो नंबर दिए हैं A and B पार्ट में और इन नंबर में एक डिजिट के लिए ब्लैंक स्पेस हमारे पास दिया है. हमें यहाँ पर एक ऐसा स्मॉलेस्ट या फिर ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर हमें पुट करना है ताकि ये जो नंबर हमारे पास फॉर्म होगा वो 3 से डिविजिबल हो. ओके, सो 3 से डिविजिबल होने के लिए हमारे पास जो कंडीशन होती है वो होती है कि सबका सम क्या होना चाहिए, 3 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए। इन डिजिट्स का सम 3 का मल्टीपल। सो लेट्स से दिस ब्लैंक प्लेस इज क्वेश्चन मार्क, ओके, एंड +6 +7 +2 +4, okay. So this gives us question mark plus the sum of all the rest of the digit is 19, okay. So 19 में स्मॉलेस्ट कौन सा नंबर ऐड करेंगे कि ये 3 से डिविजिबल हो जाए। सो 19 के बाद हमारे पास 20 आता है विच इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3। 20 के बाद 21 आता है एंड 21 इज डिविजिबल बाय 3। दैट मीन्स 19 + 2 अगर हम करेंगे तो ये 21 आएगा। सो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर क्या होगा, 2 as 2 + 19 इज इक्वल टू 21। नंबर क्या हो जाएगा, द नंबर इज 26724, ओके। अब जो फॉर्म नंबर हमारे पास आएगा वहां पर हम ब्लैंक में 2 पुट करेंगे। सो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा 26,724। नाउ ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, लार्जेस्ट नंबर, ओके। सो लार्जेस्ट नंबर में क्या आ जाएगा, वी हैव रिटन हियर 2, सो 19 + 2 इज 21। नाउ इफ वी राइट 19 + 3, so it is 22 which is not divisible by 3, 19 + 4 23 is not divisible by 3, and so on. For largest number we have to put 8 because when we write here 8, so 19 + 8 becomes 27 which is divisible by 3. So 8 as 8 + 19 is equals to 27. So the number is 86724. That means 86,724. Okay. Similarly, you can go for B part. In B part, when you put smallest number as 0, then the sum of these all digits become divisible by 3 and greatest number 9, and when you put 9, then it also become the number which is divisible by 3, okay. All the other number when you put, it won't be divisible by 3. Now question number 6, write a digit in the blank space of each of the following number so that the number formed is divisible by 11. अभी हमें चेक करना है इन ब्लैंक स्पेस में ऐसी डिजिट को पुट करके कि ये पूरा नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल हो, ओके। सो 11 से डिविजिबल होने के लिए हमें कंडीशन पता है दैट द डिफरेंस ऑफ द सम ऑफ द ऑल्टरनेट डिजिट मस्ट बी 0 और 11. सो for A part, we can see that the odd digits are 9, 3, 2. So 9 + 3 + 2. So this will give us 14. And even digits. Let's say this blank is question mark. So 8 plus question mark plus 9. Okay. So this will give us 17 plus question mark. Now the difference of these two number must be equals to 0 or 11. Okay. So we have 14 difference 17 plus question mark. Okay. अब हम यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह 0 से 9 तक के नंबर को एक एक करके पुट करके देखेंगे और फिर हम डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे। तो हम देखेंगे कि केवल जब हम क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह क्या पुट करते हैं, 8 पुट करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास जो डिफरेंस आएगा वो आएगा 11. दैट इज 14 डिफरेंस 17 + 8 is 25 and it gives us 11. So this is now divisible by 11. So number we have is 9, 2, 8, 3, 8, 9. Okay. In B part, similarly we can see sum of odd digits is odd क्या है 4, this 4 third place and this blank space. So 4 + 4 + question mark, that means 8 plus question mark. Now sum of even digits, we have even number 8, 9, 8. 8 plus 9 plus 8. It gives us 25. Okay. Now for divisibility by 11, we should differentiate these two number 8 plus क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो 25 को डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे अगर 8 प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क, तो हमारे पास जो नंबर आएगा वो 11 या 0 होना चाहिए. ओके. सो स्टार्ट विथ 0. 8 plus 0, 25 minus 8. It gives us 17. Similarly 8 plus 1, that is 9. So 25 minus 9, it gives us 6, which is not 0 or 11. So that's how when we put 6 in the place of question mark, it become 25 difference 8 plus 6, which is 25 difference 14, and it gives us 11. Okay. So 25 और 14 इन दोनों का डिफरेंस 11 हमारे पास है. That means the number is now 8. The number we have written in the place of question mark is 6, 9, 4, 8, 4. Okay. So this is our answer. So students, it was your exercise 3.3. You have to note down all the question and solve all the remaining question in your notebook and practice them all. So I'll see you in next exercise. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.